me introduce my project PayFi to you. So the current problem is $40 billion is stuck in a friction gap where programmable payments need to be limited to smart contracts. The friction is so bad that annually $40 billion is lost in enterprise efficiency and delayed B2B settlements. So what we need is the payment logic should be at the speed of thought, and the on-chain executions must be made trustless, and the finality and audit must be instant. So that is why we built PayFi. You stop coding payments, that is writing smart contracts, you instead say them, and the payment workflows are done within seconds. So just tell, like you talk or you just write a prompt, and the payment flow is completely done, and the smart contract is even deployed on chain. No code, no audits, no waiting. And as soon as you type the prompt or say to it, it just passes, verifies, and executes all at once. So let's see how it works. So the user says, like, some sentence, pay Alice 100 HSK daily. So this workflow must be done right. So flow script interface just temporarily communicates with the Gemini intent resolver, and it gives out a JSON. So the parse logic is given to the user for approval, and after the user signs the transaction, it is registered on flow, its hash key chain, and the flow created event is emitted, and the user is intimated about this. After that, the PayFi executor HSP is verifying if the conditions and triggers to periodically send the HSK and initiate settlement, which is done with the help of HSP, and the cryptographic transfer is done. So the permanent on-chain receipt is logged in the hash key on-chain. So it's tamper proof. So let's get into the demo. So this is the main part of the app. Yeah. So I go on and get the payment done. So I just say send 10 HSK to Alice daily. So this will be parsed with the help of Gemini API. Yeah. Once it is parsed, we can verify and approve it on chain. We're running out of funds, so having HSK, let me try it again. Yeah, we got it. Once the wallet confirmation is done, you can see that the transaction is confirmed. And this is just sending HSK, but currently I'm not having 10 HSK, so it will fail. But this will be recurring automatically. So with the help of our signed transaction, it will be happening periodically. So this is the contract being deployed. We can verify it. Yeah, it is just minted for 44 seconds ago, and yeah, that's it. So we can even see the history of transactions, which does this. This is the current transaction that we did now. So that's all about PayFi. Thank you.